Here's our first objective, business to business basics. Let's find out. Originally, business to business marketing started as a special case of marketing, heavily borrowing concepts and techniques from consumer marketing. Business to business marketing has evolved into a mature marketing discipline with a distinct identity separate from consumer marketing. The importance of business to business marketing or B2B is often underestimated. Successful application of business to business marketing concepts and methods requires an insight into the characteristics of B2B market and how they shape B2B marketing approaches. Let us understand the nature of business to business marketing. Business to business marketing is the marketing of products or services to companies, government bodies, institutions and other organizations that use them to produce their own product or services or sell them to other business to business customers. This definition of business to business marketing emphasizes the nature of business customers and the purpose for which B2B products are bought. B2B customers are organizations instead of consumers, varying from small family-operated local companies to large multinational conglomerates with several business units and gigantic purchasing budgets. B2B marketing for consumer marketers. Knowledge about B2B marketing is also relevant to manufacturers of consumer products such as Unilever, P&G, etc. Although these manufacturers use consumer marketing to sell their consumer brands through various retail chains. These retail chains are large organizations whose buying behavior is often quite similar to that of the B2B customers. They employ professional purchasers, negotiate about delivery and payment conditions, and sign long-term blanket contracts with their suppliers. There is a second reason why B2B marketing is useful for manufacturers of consumer products. These manufacturers buy large quantities of materials and components to manufacture their common products that are marketed by their suppliers using B2B marketing. Next, business to business customers. Business to business customers can be classified into three groups: commercial enterprises, government agencies, and institutions. Each of these three groups of business-to-business customers has its own characteristics and should be approached differently by vendors. Commercial enterprises. Here there are three types: users, original equipment manufacturers, and resellers. Government agencies. A significant number of B2B products and services are bought by the government agencies. It covers both local and central government levels. In addition, state-owned companies such as utilities and national railway companies frequently display similar purchasing behavior. Next is institutions. A third group of B2B customers encompasses the numerous institutions purchasing B2B products to perform their function. Business to business products. The diversity of the B2B markets is also reflected in the broad range of B2B products, varying from office supplies, lubricants, and electronic tools, etc. Raw and processed materials. Raw materials are farm and natural products that are used by the customers with little or no alterations, such as corn, wheat, milk, iron, natural gas, and compressed air. Processed materials are raw materials that have undergone some sort of a conversion. Let's look at the characteristics of business-to-business markets. In B2B marketing, one or more of the following characteristics may be important. The demand for B2B products depends on the demand for other downstream product. The demand for B2B products is related to the demand for other B2B products. There are few geographically concentrated customers. Organizational buying behavior is complex. Now, let's look at the market characteristics driving marketing strategies. Together, these characteristics of B2B markets determine the vendor's marketing approach. When there are only a few B2B customers, each of them representing a significant transaction volume, vendors develop close personal relationships with the key members. In these close relationships, a vendor's offering is frequently customized while key customers are involved in the vendor's product development. Selling to consumers and business to business customers. Now, many companies sell more or less the same product to the consumers and to B2B customers. Car manufacturers sell cars to consumers and fleet owners. Food manufacturers sell products to the consumers, hospitals, schools, and even companies. Vendors that want to sell their products to both consumers and B2B customers must make two kinds of marketing decisions. First, how will we target both the markets? Can we sell the same product in both the markets, or should we offer two versions of the same product? Which sales channels are most appropriate for both the markets? Second decision is, how will we organize marketing function internally? Should we create two separate marketing departments? Which market gets a priority in case of product shortages? Do we need different people for each marketing group? Creating value for customers. B2B customers do not need products, but they do need the value offered by these products to produce their own products and services. Value is defined as the benefits minus the costs the customers receive in exchange for the purchase price. Every customer will assess whether the net benefits offered by the vendor outweigh the purchase price that has to be paid to enjoy them. Thus, successful B2B marketing depends on a vendor's detailed understanding of what customers value.